gotten nothing but junk orders for like 30 minutes, so I haven't taken anything yet. But I just got this order for Walmart, which, you know, is a 50-50. It says $23 going 6 miles. So in theory, if everything works out, we should be good. And if not, well, let's not think that. And now we wait. All right, let's go. I mean, I completed it at 8 o'clock on the dot, so technically I'm still on good pace. Gotta wait for that tip to come in as well. Got really lucky with that and somehow saved that first hour. Okay, never mind. Total just came in on that, and I got 34 bones from that. Damn. Okay, I'm somehow ahead of pace now. Let's just hope I get some orders to come in so we can keep it up. Thank you. All right, we've got our next order. This is gonna be for Seize the Bagel, $9.75 going just under 6 miles. Could be a good one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. Just got my next order. This one is going to be for Starbucks. $7 going 1.5 miles. Got a feeling this one is not going to be quite ready for me once I get there, but shouldn't be too much of a wait regardless.
Denise or
Yes,
Mark?
Denise. I mean, technically it was ready for me, but they were bagging multiple orders before setting them out to grab, so whatever. It is just so dead on both apps. I don't really know what to do. I'm just sitting here. Okay, I finally got an order. This one's gonna be Chick-fil-A, $10 going just under 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Wait, wasn't too bad. Should still be a decent order, I think. Just had to pop a quick Yui. Get this McDonald's order. This is gonna be $10 going 3 miles. This one might not be ready. I'm pretty close to the restaurant. I got it as soon as I passed it, so we shall see. All right, this is going to some apartments downtown, so might be a pretty big issue. Not too promising so far. Yeah, there are way too many signs over here that are saying I'm gonna get towed if I'm not a resident, so I'm not gonna risk it this time. Hello.
You need to get in there, honey?
If you could, yeah. Appreciate that.
Happy day to you, honey.
Thank you. Pretty cool little library they got here. All right, what are the odds that my car is still where I left it? Still there. Just got my next orders. Looks like a stack Seize the Bagel, $11.50 going less than 6 miles, but I'm gonna get some gas real quick. They can wait.
We already got 5.
Yes. Hello.
Alright, then. Here is
Thank you.
62 cents.
Have a good day.
You too. Tell me that's not upstairs. It's not upstairs. No, it's... Here it is. All right, next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $16 going 6 miles, 3 items. I'm pretty sure I know who this is going to, so yeah, this is going upstairs again. All right, let's go do it. Hello.
Hello.
And then just scribble.
Perfect. Have a good one.
Thank you. You too. Why is it always upstairs? Okay, I actually have to go. So, current time is 11:25. Total is 109. Considering the start of the shift, I'm pretty pleased. So, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.